This is how a net support is supposed to look. This is how this one is looking. So I'm going to try and fix that. This is the pole. As you can see, that used to be on there. And this is a replacement for all of that, which is not exactly relevant. Thinking that if I can spare about 6 inches of this, I can cut it off and glue it in there, and maybe just maybe this will make a replacement. Let's see. So originally this went in that way. I've cut the rough bits off, and it's going to now go in that way, and this will go in there, and then this will go inside. So to see where I have to drill the hole in here, from here, to drill a hole, I've marked this at the point where I want to stop. I put the spring back in, and I put some electrical tape around here so it fits in snugly to stop it wobbling around when I attach it with hot glue. There will also, once it's in there, here we go, I'm going to put some pop rivets, one on each side. Okay, I put some hot glue on the end of the pipe and stuffed it in, and you can probably see it there. It's actually pretty tight now. And now I'm going to see if I can not mess this up too much.